Hi guys, welcome back. Wow, Melissa here, and today we'll be making some chicken soup. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family, and if you've been rocking with me this far, thank you so much for your support. So let's get started. So we have here our chicken bouillon, black pepper with black cloves, some parsley flakes and oregano, of course Haitian épices. This is my garlic and onion paste, garlic powder, chopped celeries, roasted bell peppers, chopped onions. I washed this already, so this is chopped collard green. If you have spinach or any greens, you could add it. It's up to you. And some pasta, penny pasta, and here some potato that I chopped up and put in some water, and of course your chicken. So let's get this started. So some chicken bouillon. I've already washed my chicken with some lemon and vinegar, some black pepper and cloves. You don't have to wash it if you don't want to, but I was taught to do so, so I'm sticking to it, and I prefer it that way. And garlic powder, Haitian épices, garlic and onion paste, and then we're going to start mixing. We mix, and then we're going to let it sit for, let it sit to marinate for about an hour. We're going to mix, and we're going to let it season for about an hour, just to get the flavors in there. But if you're in a rush like I am today, I'm just going to let it sit for half an hour, and we'll start the cooking process soon. Alrighty. Okay, so look how beautiful my seasoned chicken is. Ow! We're gonna add some olive oil, a little bit. You don't need a lot. We're going to add our seasoned chicken. We're going to let it cook and render its juices. Adding some water to the okay, so we're just going to let it cook down a little. I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook down, and we'll come back to it. Okay, let's check. All right, it's looking really good. It smells so good, guys. It smells really good. So we're going to add about 3 cups of water. You can add chicken broth if you'd like, but I prefer water. Let's add our squash, and then we're going to let it melt, cover it up, let it melt, and then come back to it. We'll be adding our we'll add our pasta last. So, all right, I may need some more water, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay guys, so let's cover it back up. It's really good. Let's add our frozen peas. You could admit it, but I just feel like adding it to it. And let's add our pasta. Cover it, and it will be all done. We're all done. We're gonna get ready to serve it. And yeah, so if you've made it this far and you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of these type of videos, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you on to the next one. You guys, I cannot wait to dig in because I'm so hungry and it's so cold. And of course, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do like this kind of content, if you do want to see more of these type of videos, let your girl know in the comments. So yeah, that's my chicken soup, and it looks so good. Beautiful color. Some vegetables, my pasta, chicken, potatoes, and yeah, I'm ready to dig in. I'm so hungry, guys. Let's do a taste test. Yummy. It's really good. Really good. All right guys, see you in the next one. Bye.